on the forward spot as it squad. As the triple goes in for Jacob Rossello. Very important if you're fast, if you want the other players to try and beat you, so that normally you would expect the bigger guys, although if you look at the height of the company right now, it's almost the same height. They actually had Isabel. Kasi kay Baklaan, fade away, jumper, that goes in. That's the same of the file. Only one can help there by Vigo against Gaitos using his muscle to clean out through the corner. Once again, Buhol, save it! Nalipat lang. So that's some tight. Good wheel advantage. Gigantic competition for a foul there, but Malaga cleans things up. Guys like Malaga, ano height advantage. I'm not quite sure because Natasakaru, the South Division champions, Pasig servants, Rian Baklan, immediately rising up the defense, defensively and offensively. And the facing how attacking. We saw it happen in. I can still say that it was a good lead. Ano na pag-usapan natin po before the game started? Parang meron pang Gian Baklaan moves. So, pag-baklaan. Final foul, and that will be blocked. That's a pound foul counted move. Shot is up and in for Jacob Gonzalez. Give Gian Baklaan a lot of help. Has got Gaitos from 45 degrees. Cannot forget about Benedict Cambatu. Possesses that deadly outside shot. Speaking of deadly outside shot, Gian Baklaan on hitting for his 13th. Pick it up. Nice pass. Anabo, the easy two. Steam there for Caloocan. There's Anabo for a three. Yes, sir! Para sa kanya, win or lose, yun ang nakakapulot na, especially going at from yeah. Actually, what I liked about that game against Santa, because hindi the two threes that gave it. And di ba sabi natin kanina, sino sa Caloocan ang pwede tumulong kay Baklaan? And with that huge lead, a bit of an ankle break there, and he gets the jumper. As David gets it all the way to the basket. David gets it inside for that last shot for Clint Manzano. Ito roster ng Pasig. Yes, we take it. Nice find. Davao Lake Junior MPPL opening March 20. Meron 14, 16, 18, and 21 under brackets. And the champion will join Junior MPPL. You can contact the Junior MPPL against the age. Like how many months? 6 months playing in Manila. So this gives us the opportunity to play in the Junior MPPL. Magkakaroon tayo ng national championship. Kaya automatic kapituloy at advantage Baklaan points. So that ating first half. Sometimes it's slowly something to scoreboard. Then you know the points that they are getting. Hindi naman. Some whistle underneath the sub-bell. Will be called for, I believe, stepping on George Diamante for Leclan together with Andrew House. And that is the Sinan. Out ahead, more! Attacking the defense, but there's Messias saving that position. Like how Messias never gave up. Pantatang Jantalu. Baklaan all the way! Sinan gets prepared. Earlier, Kaiju. More. Nauna. More with the easy lift. Doesn't really. Borsello gets a screen from Manzano. Borsello, he gets the basket. The order Messias. Goes inside. The shot is up and in. Moves out. Hirogi Nagax, and he will make a scouting department, it seems like may committee na rin. Oo. Marcelo showing his wares with lots of layo pa yan, unti-untiin natin. And let's enjoy this game. Showing Coach Lu. And let's enjoy this game. Ito hindi na. Parang streaking down forward. Maglaan goes up. And he hits. The goal. Oh, Brock and you. Brock in the down for my goodness. Lee, put it over the top. Looking for Gay. Yes, sir. It's a big, heavy hit from Udogi. It's much needed second half. Because he has decided to score. And up against Gaitos. Baklan, Avax. Shot is up. And in! Destroyed the whole time. Probably played like the other time. Just sit down. His previous performance in the last Dividends at one as Jamante hits the basket. It's timely hits. Here's Magno. Yeah, he's in. The passing even if they come off a victory here, it's not gonna be like a victory. Other than that, Rose from Westside by Alvaso with the offensive rebound. Rosso with the layup. That passing is Lowry's block as they done as Anago. Ball hits up in the hands of Tim Hinokin, who was asking for it earlier. As a timeout is called on. McLaren underneath. Rosso for the easy shot. Passing. There was 2 more with the first result. It is a best of 3 series for a reason. So even if Pasig is able to draw first blood, it's not gonna matter here in the 4th quarter. You're really gonna have to prepare. I mean, it's going to be a quick turnaround. You have to be sure.